You right by Belle Isle.
Yep.
You right by the Mayor's Mansion.
Yep.
You 10,
Easy
12
access
minutes
to
from
downtown.
downtown.
Yep.
If that.
Yep.
You
Grosse
know.
Point right there.
You could jump on
The
your
water,
bike.
The
How much are
water
y'all
right
paying? How much are you? What's your initial investment in these?
Oh, right now,
upcoming areas?
4214, you're spending $100,000 on
That's
the
what
shell.
I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's my
Yeah.
point. You know what I'm
But see,
saying?
2 years ago, you
600.
wasn't.
Well, I'm
Yeah,
saying,
exactly.
But I'm saying like $500-$600, maybe $5,000-$6,000, as opposed to buying it at 65 to 100 is a different. It's different money. You know
Well,
what I'm saying? Being
it's
able
the
to hold
strategy
on.
behind it, though, because
Always.
so if you're an investor and you got X amount of dollars, like the rental rate or the cost to hold it may not make sense financially. So like you say a couple years ago, you could have brought it for 60, but who would have rented that property so you can have had it at a profit? And then now you're realizing, okay, this property is worth 180 or 200 now, right? So a lot of people look at that, but really what they should have been doing was, I just need enough for somebody to cover my holding costs while I hold it long term.
Long as you
Yeah.
know.
But
Right.
most investors get into the game, whether wholesaling or flipping, because they need that immediate money right now to get their bread up. Then they can buy and hold. But by the time you get there, it'd be too late because you like, I didn't sold all the good properties.
Correct.
Now ain't nothing to buy and hold
Correct.
because it's all 300,000.
Yeah.
Well, I think it depends. So, like, my very first flip I got for $5, that was in 17. I'm good at negotiating.
Right.
I'm from Detroit and you from Detroit. So, whatever you was trying on these out-of-state people is not going to work for me.
Right.
I'm not paying your water bill. You ran that bill up. Okay?
Yup.
You pay. You know you weren't paying taxes. This is what you're getting. So, take it or leave it. And then I'm going to go get on the payment plan with all of these different things and do that.
Yeah.
Like, my flip I'm working on now, I got that for $7,100. I really should have paid 30
Big
grand.
Red?
Big Orange.
Oh,
I should
Big
have paid about
Orange, yeah.
$30,000 for that. It's on Balfour and East Side of Drive.
Yeah.
I should have paid 30, but they got $7,142 because I'm not paying that $3,000 water bill. It'll get paid at closing. I send them $100 a month, just enough to keep my water on, so I can finish my flip, right?
Right.
And then like Big Red, I bought for $2,500 off an investor in 2017. I
Right.
could sell that right now and probably get $200,000. And I done put maybe 45 in it. Like I
Right.
done did the roof, I gutted it, I done did brickwork. Now this summer I hope to start rehabbing because I'm keeping that because I can rent east side $2 to $3 grand.
But you
Absolutely.
hear these numbers that she's
Yeah.
saying, though, they're so low. Like even
Right.
our good deals, like
Yeah.
our Parkside